How to connect emails to ZOHO CRM. First, make sure you're logged into ZOHO CRM. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your homepage. Look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see a small gear icon. That's the settings icon. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking the gear icon, a menu will pop up with various options. Look for something labeled email. Click on it. Yes, it seems repetitive, but you'll need to click on email again on the next page. Now, you'll see a button that says Get Started. This is where the actual setup begins, so click on that. You'll now see a list of different email providers. Since we're using Outlook in this example, go ahead and click on Outlook. After selecting Outlook, you'll be prompted to configure it. Click on the Configure button to move forward. A window will pop up asking you to sign into your Microsoft account. Just enter your email and password and sign in. That's it. Now your emails are connected to ZOHO CRM, making it easier to manage everything in one place. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this. See you in the next video.